Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I am going to explain step by step how to build OpenCV from source on Windows 10 with CUDA GPU acceleration. I assume that you have Anaconda Python distribution installed on your system. So let's get started. First thing first, you should check if you have NVIDIA GPU installed. I have opened Windows Device Manager, and as you can see, I have both NVIDIA and Intel GPUs. If you have AMD GPU or only Intel GPU, you are out of luck and cannot use CUDA GPU acceleration. So let's move forward. First of all, we need to download and install a few things. I will put all the links in the description below. Let's begin with OpenCV source. I am going to download OpenCV 4.4.0, which is the latest version at the time of making this video. Next, we are going to download OpenCV Contrib from GitHub, which has extra modules for OpenCV. By default, GitHub presents master branch to download. We are going to change it to the same version as OpenCV, which is 4.4.0, and then proceed to download the zip file. Third, we are going to download CMake GUI for Windows from its official website. This will be used to configure OpenCV source to be used with CUDA. We also need to download Visual Studio, which will be used to build OpenCV for Windows. I recommend downloading latest version, which is 2019 in my case. Finally, we need to install CUDA, but before that, head over to this Wikipedia page and find out your model of NVIDIA GPU. I had GTX 1060. There it is. It supports Compute 6.1 and has Pascal architecture. It is important to remember, and I will show you in a moment why. You should note this information for your own model of GPU. At the top of this Wikipedia page, we can see that CUDA SDK 10.0 to 10.2 supports Pascal architectures. So if we install any of these versions of CUDA, we are good to go. I already have CUDA 10.1 installed as part of my TensorFlow GPU tutorial, which you can check here. So I'm not going to install it again, but if you do not have it installed, you can do it easily by going to NVIDIA official website and download the relevant version for Windows. By default, NVIDIA presents the latest version to download, so make sure to check legacy releases and download your specific version. Once you download the installer for Windows 10, the installation procedure for CUDA can be carried out with default options. But if you are unsure about it, you can check the tutorial link in the description and just follow CUDA and Coden installation part. Once CUDA and Coden is installed, head back to our other 4 downloaded files. Let's begin the installation of CMake. Just proceed with default options, and once the installation finishes, run the setup for Visual Studio. It will download some basic installation files and present this screen for component selections. We are only interested in desktop development with C++, so check that and proceed with installation. It will take a while, and once the installation finishes, reboot your computer. Okay, once computer reboots, extract the downloaded OpenCV and OpenCV Contrib zip files. Also, create a new folder called build, which we will be using later. Before we proceed, open Anaconda prompt and uninstall any previous version of OpenCV. I do not have any previous version installed, so I am good to go. Now open CMake GUI and browse for OpenCV source code folder that we just extracted. Similarly, browse for build folder that we created. Now click on configure. I have Visual Studio 2019 installed, which is selected by default as a generator. Next, we want to build for x64 platform. So select that and click on Finish. It will take a few moments to configure the source code. We can see configuration is done without any errors and newly found options are highlighted in red color. Now we need to enable few options. First, enable with CUDA checkbox. Second, tick the OpenCV DNN CUDA checkbox. Third, tick on enable fast math. And finally, go to OpenCV extra modules. Click on browse button and go to OpenCV contrib directory that we extracted earlier and point to modules directory inside it. Hit configure once again. This time you will see a few new options in red color. So check enable CUDA fast math and then find CUDA arc bin property. So this is basically CUDA architecture binary. And here you will see the compute versions of CUDA for which OpenCV should be built. Refer back to the Wikipedia page for CUDA. My model of GPU had support of architecture version 6.1, so I will remove all other versions from CUDA arc bin and hit on configure once more. You should do this as per your version of compute architecture. When that's done, click on generate. Finally, our configuration and generation is finished. Now go to build folder and notice a bunch of files there. There is opencv.sln file which we are interested in. Open command prompt as administrator. Go to build folder and open this sln file. Visual Studio will open this file, but if it throws this error, do not worry. Go to tools, then options, then in project and solutions, and then web projects, and uncheck this last option. Click OK and close Visual Studio. Open the SLN file again, and this time Visual Studio will open it successfully. Change the debug to release at the top. Go to the panel at right side, expand CMake targets, right click on all builds and click on build. You should expect many warnings during this process, but those are okay as long as there are no errors. This process can take up to half an hour or more. Once this is finished, right click on install and again click on build. This process is quicker and would install the OpenCV on your system. Verify that there were no errors. I will be showing practical use cases of OpenCV GPU acceleration in next video. So if you want to get notified about the updates, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now let's verify if OpenCV is installed correctly. Let's open Python in Anaconda prompt and import cv2. Then type cv2.__version__ and hit enter. And we can see that the version 4.4.0 is installed. But is it installed with CUDA support? Let's find out by command cv2.cuda.get CUDA enabled device count. It has successfully detected one CUDA GPU. But is it able to use this GPU? Let's find out. I have this simple program that performs matrix multiplications using GPU with CUDA acceleration and using NumPy on CPU. Let's run it. It only takes 4.45 milliseconds on GPU, but 2.06 seconds on CPU. And per loop times are also a lot lower when we use CUDA. I will link this program in description below. So that's it. We have successfully configured OpenCV with CUDA and GPU acceleration. See you next time.